And meanwhile, the International Monetary Fund has said that the global economy is poised for a soft landing. It predicts that inflation across geographies will subside without causing a major recession. However, the IMF remains focused on the more vulnerable members of the global community as they recover from shocks such as the pandemic.
And shifting focus to commentary from key Federal Reserve officials, then Cleveland Fed President Loretta Mester says that March will be too soon for the central bank to start on its rate-cutting path. On the other side, Chicago Fed President Austin Goolsbee, sounding more optimistic, has said that 2023 was a Hall of Fame year for falling inflation, paving the way for the central bank to start rate cuts as long as the trend continues.
And well, that was a roundup for the United States. Let's shift focus and look at other parts of the world because inflation in Argentina has zoomed past the 200% mark in December, and that's the highest level since the early 1990s. Now, the figures have taken Argentina past regional peer Venezuela along Latin American's inflation outlier, where inflation cooled to an estimated 193% in 2023.
And bullish sentiment engulfs crypto traders after the US securities regulator approved Bitcoin ETFs. US listed Bitcoin ETFs witnessed a stellar 4.6 billion worth of shares trade hands on the first day itself. Taking cues from the bulls, Bitcoin briefly topped the $49,000 mark, scaling a 2-year high, after which it gave up gains and settled below 46,000.
And well, shifting focus to some stock-specific action, tech giant Microsoft briefly overtook Apple as the most valuable company for the first time since 2021. This came in after the iPhone maker shares made a weak start to the year on growing concerns over demand.
While pain sees no end for global jet maker Boeing, Airbus has gone ahead and seized the day by reporting record annual jet orders, a solid jump of 11% in 2023. The company scaled roughly 2,300 orders versus 2,000 net order cancellations in the year. Sounding optimistic on the way forward, CEO said that they're confident of the delivery target of 75 A320 jets a month in 2026.